Billy. Oh, what is Billy doing? Billy is punching. Billy is pulling. Billy is snatching. And Billy is scratching. And everybody said, don't. Very good.
Billy snatched the book. They have the pull.
And what did they say to him? Don't
Be a bully bear.
Yes.
And stop shaking.
Oh, stop shaking Sean. And Sean said, don't be a
bully bear.
Yes. Oh, and look at him being mean to Paula. And what did Paula say? Oh, she's crying. She's wiping away the tears, and she said, don't.
Yeah, bully bear.
Oh. Oh, my
It's
goodness.
quiet.
He's crying. Oh. And look at him now. He's taking all the books, and everybody said, don't.
Be a bully.
Don't be a bully, Billy. You have to read another page? Okay. Everybody's hiding because they don't want to be around Billy. He's so bad. And they all said, don't
Be a bully bear.
Yes.
It keeps sunny.
Yes. Finally. Uh-oh. Somebody's taking Billy away. What does Billy say?
Help.
Help! Very nice. Finally, Billy's gone. Bye-bye, Billy.
Bye-bye, baby.
Good job, Car. Good reading.
Oh, that was so good.